Alright guys, we are back with another unboxing. Today we're going to be unwrapping Forrest Gump, the 25th anniversary Blu-ray. Which is a really good film from the 90s. So we got the front here. We got the side. We have the back. This 2-disc collection includes an all-new digitally remastered Blu-ray, right on, plus over 3 hours of bonus content featuring the complete originally released special features. That's great. Made in Mexico. So here's the digital code for you guys, whoever wants it. And here's the inside. Feature film. So there you have it, guys. That is it for now, and have a good one. Later.